Hello, this is an operating video how to use the Chef 7.5 electric planetary mixers. This is the planetary mixers. This is the grid. As you can see, the grid is attached with a magnetic system. Okay. The grid can rotate and you can easily remove it. Okay. Then take the bowl, 1, 2, 3 pin. Those 3 pin has to fix in those 3 holes, as you can show you. Up and turn. Then fix the ball with this handle. Okay? Ball has to be fixed. Then, for example, wire whip. Okay? That's it. Be sure that the safety ring is down. Then close the ring. Then operate with the machine. This is the manual switch, general power. When you press 1, it will blink here. If this one is blinking, it means that the grid is not in the correct position, or the ball is not in the correct position. Just moving the handle, the ball come up. As you can see, it doesn't blink anymore. If I move the ball, it starts blinking, so it doesn't work. If I close the ball, it won't blink anymore. Even if I open the grid, it's blinking. If I close the grid in the right position, it doesn't blink. How to operate with the machine? When it's finished to blink, just pressing one of the 6 speed, the machine will start working. For example, press 1. Just pressing 1, as you can see, the mixer is working. Vai vicino, fai vedere. Just pressing 2, the machine go faster. 3, 4, 5, 6. You can go from 6 to 1, no problem. If you would like to increase the speed without using the buttons, just pressing, as you can see, number 3 and 4 together, the speed will rise up. If you want to decrease the speed, pressing 1 and 2 as minus is going down. If you want to stop the machines, 2-way, or open the grid and the machine will automatically stop, or it's much more easier, just pressing the 2 buttons, 5 and 6 together, stop. Okay? Then you can start in any speed you would like. Number 4, you will start in 4. You can decrease, you can increase, or you can stop. Now, how to replace the tools? Open the bowl, so let the ball goes down, turn the grid, or let me show this. Okay? Put it up. And now, then, choose the right position and remove. If you want, for example, to put the bottom beer on the blade, same thing. Put it in the center. That's it. Close the grid. Turn it up, let it spin. Change again. Open, open, lift this one up. You see here? This is the safety ring. Down. That's it. Spiral. Same thing. Spiral in. Close the grip. Turn it up. Let it spin. When you have the dough inside, how to remove the bowl and the dough? Go down with the bowl, let the spiral go into the bowl, release the bowl locking system, turn it a little bit, take it out. That's it. The grip, as I showed you before, is just with the magnetic system caramel machine. Just heat it a little bit. That's it. You can wash it in the washing machine whenever you want. Very easy. Remember to check those 3 pins has to stay inside, turn and lock. The bowl has to be fixed. And out. Fixed, blinking. Fixed, blinking. Working.